Hi all, welcome back to my Tech Stack Learning channel. I hope you guys all doing really great. I hope you also have watched the Node.js tutorial sessions, and also there were one or two tips related to the Node.js have been uploaded in the previous sessions. Please do watch. If you haven't watched, I have provided the links in the description box. So here in this session, I'm going to explain another tip on how to use the node mode. Okay, and what is the use of the node mode. So if you like my session, please do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay. So now let's get started. Okay, so what is this node mode? So the node mode is basically used to automatically restart your server during your development, so that whatever changes you are doing is affected on the real time. You don't have to stop and start the server. That's about the usage of node mode. Okay, why it is useful? Because it will be very effective during the development time. So the first one is automatic restart, server restart. So you can keep on monitoring your changes and errors the real time. You don't have to restart your server all the time manually. Improved development workflow. Basically, it will help us to significantly speed up the development process, and it's easy to set up and use, right? So the installation is quite very easy, which I'll be showing in the next live coding, how to install the node mode. And no configuration is required here. It's just that you just start the node mode with the node mode, right? And also you can have a custom configurations where you can watch the specific files or the directories uh, with some certain command. You can just mention which file you want to watch and you can watch that. And also you can also ignore files and the directories which you do not want to watch, right? Then we can also integrate with the npm script. So basically in case if you want to streamline your development process, you can just use this node mode along with the npm script, so that it can be uh, integrated. Okay, and it also obviously it is enhanced development experience, because node mode restart the service automatically, so you get immediate feedback on changes, so which is particularly useful for debugging and testing. As you all are the developers, you will have the pain point on those debugging thing, right? And there is no downtime as such here. These are the real usage of node mode and why we have to use as part of our development time. Okay, now let's see how do we set up this node mode. Okay, so for now what I'll do is I'll just create one file called trades third tip. So nodemon.js. Okay, so I'll just do this console dot log of hello, I am John. Okay, so I just created this one change. So what I'll do is first we have to install this node mode. Okay, so what I'll do, npm install uh, node mode. Okay, so this will get installed, and once it is installed, for some of the system, if there is some um restrictions in the what to say, the permissions, right? There will be you may have to go to this PowerShell, and you can run this command, which um, basically uh, like allow the permission to execute the node mode. So it will be execution policy where you'll be setting up for your user. Post that, you'll be able to run this node mode successfully. Okay, so now let's see how to run this node mode. Okay, so let me here. So it is installed successfully. So node mode, I'm going to use this. You can see the node mode has been started. Now what I'll do is I will just add another console, console dot log of hello, how are you today? Okay, so I'm just going to save this. Okay, I'm just saving this, and you can observe here the changes. You can see it automatically restarted. Okay, that's the powerful of Node.js, where the node mode, where it just keeps on monitoring the changes, and it will take care of the restart automatically. Okay, that is one of the biggest advantages of using the node mode. Okay, so as I said, we have certain other features as well. For example, if you want to watch only the specific file, yeah, since I have many files here, and in the entire folder I have certain source file. If I want to watch only the specific file, then what I will be doing is, I can do like node mode watch. Okay, watch, and we can say only I want a watch.js files, so it will be watching the only the specific files. Watch only specific file changes. Okay, this is about the one feature which it has. So coming to the other one is, if you want to ignore any of the um, files or directories, what you have to do is you can in the JSON file, the packet.json, you can, there is an ignore section where you can just mention what all things has to be ignored, so that node mode will automatically pick those up. Same way, in case if you want to integrate this with your packet.json, the start scripts, right? You can also put under like different environment, you can just put nodemon app.js. So that is another option what we have for this particular nodemon things. So these are the main functionality or the features which is as part of the node mode. And it's always best to use this node mode during the development time. Okay, so here we are concluding the session on the node module, which is the third tip on this particular uh, thing. So feel free to integrate this particular node module during your development phase, which is very helpful. So in the next session, I'll be coming back with other next tips and tricks on Node.js, which we have to consider during our development phase. So thank you for watching, and if you like my series, please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. See you in the next session. Thank you all.